I've been eating for breakfast. What you did, bitch? Hey, whoa. The edge off of this fucking. I give up. I give up.
That shit bad.
What, rack and pinions bad, what you said?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Yeah, it is. You're not supposed to.
Yeah, so I couldn't even beat the other one. I about to beat the fucking tip off.
Got the, oh, for real?
Yeah, like it's. Look at the bottom. Fuck you, Brian.
4 hits. Ow.
I am a bitch, okay?
Wait, hold up, dude. Oh. Can't lose that boat. Niggas. Always wanna do some shit. Life. Oh. Where that nut fell off?
Inside the fucking jack.
Dead ass?
Dead ass. I'm pretty sure.
Rare side of J-Lo. Getting dirty, you know.
Wait, what? What?
I don't need it.
Yeah, fuck. Don't record it too long. Be like a minute 30 each. That shit gonna be long as fuck to upload.
Yeah, you got one side, just record on one side.
Small as fuck. Yeah.
Hi, Mama J-Lo. Who got this video?
Fucking Mama G. Lewski.
I figured it fell on the block anyway. That's all I did.
Awesome. Shit was not coming off. Niggas. Swear to God. Boy, I'm missing a neck. Small as hell. Chew, the Eddie Fresh. New shoes type shit. Mama G Lewis.
Huh? Hello.
You not showing the YouTube? The
YouTube
That's
content.
my YouTube. You not showing the
So
YouTube?
you're recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you need, huh? Bro.
You might have to take out that level from here. No, you shouldn't have to. That's the most that bitch will go.
Hey, look, the level right here.
Yeah, but we need the
Yeah,
no.
I need
Oh
to
yeah,
see.
we gotta take off the strap
Yeah, cause we got.
because he ain't got the nuts for it. We need to go to that little store right there.
Take this off. Leave it on.
No, leave it on. That's the bushing for it.
Actually,
As fuck. Just because it's cold. Love being black.
oh,
Juicy found out he got ashy the other day.
what?
What the?
I was like, oh yeah, I am. Oh, bad.
Yeah, that was it. You saw fucking Scott pulled over Ken this morning?
Yeah, man. I was like, what the heck?
Hey, should I call Scott and tell him that we're doing some illegal activities
No,
by squatting the truck?
no.
Full of white Chevy with gold plates.
Help me.
And we got Mr. the Man J-Lo right there, the one that gets the most
My
tickets.
daddy's gonna be really proud of me whenever he sees this.
My dad could have got a smaller size hoodie, but he couldn't borrow it.
When I got off my sixes, my dad went
How you feeling, son?
Tell my
How you
dad.
feel?
Want to kill somebody?
Keep going. Like that walk, you big traffic cone.
I feel like that thing should have pushed the door. You can probably tighten it once we put the wheel on there.
How's it going, Trey?
Are you stupid, man? I ain't videoing that. Rock.
I was gonna buy a boat.
You talking about for the top?
No, he wants to buy my boat.
Hey, fuck you.
What? I think I'm getting jailed on the way.
Rock the rock. What a stud, bro.
Why are you always video?
Over there, sitting on the
Look, gay. I don't know what that bitch was.
That's just whenever you go to put that thing on there. That's whenever you go to put that.
And you can't do that.
Don't walk away from
Don't. And you can't do math either.
My math don't be math.
Yeah, I'm 11 period, but I'm sophomore. It's like running math on math, and he can't order shit off. He can't order shit off Amazon. It ain't my fault. I can order shit. Oh, you can't.
Brockwood.
Don't you just put one
Right, he looks goofy as hell.
He was heading towards Scott's.
What's up, YouTube? We finally getting the shit Hopefully she rides good, doesn't wobble. We got a new hub on that side. But we only got 5 Allen screws on this side because the one brought to the shop, but they drilled it wrong. They drilled it more to the side than center, so wasn't able to put an Allen screw in, but we only got 5 on that side.
I think it'd be all right.
We put some orange Loctite, which is apparently stronger than the red. All right, so I'm back to what I was saying. I had a phone call, but we got 5 on that driver's side. We got all 6 on this side. So hopefully that Loctite holds the adapter together so it doesn't wobble. If not, then I'm about to get a new adapter, unfortunately. And she could be down for a couple days till that bitch come in, but be hooking everything up, putting everything back together. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna have to, before I start driving around, I have to go to the gas station, put air in that tire, cause that bitch leaked a lot more than the other ones. So we're gonna do that shit. But been a little 2-day project type shit. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all everything. My hair been finished doing all this shit, putting everything back together, and I'm gonna start recording again for y'all.
Whoop the drill out on these bitches, boy. Well, give me something to put on here, Juicy. Like something. Oh shit. Ah! Oh my god. How you feel, son? How you
ready?
feel? Be
16 wires,
You ready?
Be getting loose?
Yeah. Where's that? Where's that? Y'all almost done. I believe in y'all.
40 minutes.
All right.
We only got 4.
Video, you ready?
Hold up, son.
You ready, J-Lo?
No, son, I'm not, son.
You ready?
I'm not, son.
You ready?
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck that bitch. Is that a wood thing? You ain't got another drill bit? 'Cause this bitch right here ain't gonna catch. Unless it's fucked.
Got big aggravation, big monster. Helping me with this base model. 4-wheel drive.
Base model. Base model.
Base model 4-wheel drive. 2-inch bottom level going in. Yeah, you got I think that's a 2-inch top or 3-inch top, whatever. Put that in. You got brand new, you got KSP uppers. 4-wheel drive, so we're gonna see if I can, if his angles are good enough to run these hoes. So, but doing it for the free. Homeboy give me, new body bubble. That's not as messed up as mine. So, we'll do that. So, yeah. That's how this bitch look. This bitch clean. Love high country, you gotta love it, bro. About to finish doing all this, and I'm gonna get back and show y'all what it look like after I'm done. And then after that, I'm gonna start recording. When we go back to Nunez, Louisiana, help my boy out Logan with his F-250. But right now, I'm gonna get back with y'all later.
What's happening, J-Lo?
Go.
Bust it, nigga. You tripping, son. Go.
No, nigga, no. Go down.
It jam?
Yeah, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Lighting fireworks 2024. Stop fucking playing, man. You know, y'all know the vibes, bro.
Yeah, nigga.
Stop fucking playing. Got my brothers on, bro. Stop fucking playing. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes, bruh. 2024, nigga. Lit as fuck, nigga. Stop fucking playing. Go get another one, Lord. And we go shoot guns. So I'm gonna pull some clips in that bitch. You already know.
My shit jam.
As
long as we have a big stick. My shit jam.
My brother bought that bitch brand new. That bitch jam, man. Fuck Academy, nigga. You already know what the fuck I'm saying.
If it don't jam, I get some shit though.
So got my boy Mozzie, you know what I'm saying? My son lighting them bitches, you know what I'm saying? We all getting lit playing the game and shit. We lighting fireworks and shit. That bitch loud as fuck. That bitch loud as fuck.
Let me light it.
That bitch loud as fuck. We got one out, we got 4 left remaining, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta bust it open.
It's alright.
Wait, somebody coming?
Oh shit, hold on. Wait. Somebody coming.
Somebody coming.
Take the thing out of the way. Take the thing out of the way.
Oh, this nigga done fell. This nigga done fell. Nigga done fell, bro. Nigga dumb as fuck, nigga. Oh my god. Oh yeah?
You wanna light this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you feel, little kiss?
Come on, Kirsten, light this one.
Stop playing. Come on, babe. Shit. Alright, let's see how this one is. This is a different one, y'all.
It's a different one?
Yeah. Yep. That bitch sound louder.
Yeah, that shit louder.
It sound louder.
Are we vlogging?
Yes, sir. Look here, you see the last. Stop playing with her. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see the vibes. Yeah, these are a little louder, y'all. This bitch loud as fuck, bro. Stop playing.
Robert, the plastic girl?
Hey, them shits is louder.
It's loud as a motherfucker.
Them shits is loud, nigga. What the fuck? Where's that coming from?
There's a little man that comes down.
What the fuck? Yo, what? Hold up. What the fuck? Yo,
that's crazy.
There's a little man that comes from the fucking
Firework.
firework. Nigga, we did not know about this shit, yo. That's crazy as fuck. Where it went? Where the fuck it went?
That probably was.
Oh shit. Listen. Look at Hey, find a little man. Find a little man.
I ran like, get out, bro.
Where's the little man? Wait,
no, Gino, wait. Stop the vlog. Stop the vlog.
See it like this.
Alright, bet.
Around there, and I can start getting real like lava hot. You come and you hear it right here.
Alright, bet.
Let me see.
How you feel, son?
What that is over there?
J-Lo's first time holding the torch. Well, what's up, YouTube? It's J-Lo. I hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. All this video is gonna be a recap of what I had going on this week. I got a little clips just of everything I did. I wasn't able to fully record the cat eye, so I'm gonna post it in my next video. I did a cat eye, a 6-inch lift, torching bars, keys, torching bar, drop bracket. I'm gonna post all that in my next video. That red Chevy I was doing wasn't able to do his bottom level. I mean, yeah, the bottom level, because the spindle was too small for the upper to go in. So I didn't the finish, part of that wasn't put in. But we did get Big Juicy's top level on, so we got that. I got all that in the video and everything, and I also got the clips of what we did this weekend. We shot our guns, we popped fires, we had fun, this and that. And at the end of the video, so you can see a sneak peek of what we doing. For my next video, we gonna try to finish up Logan's truck.
F250, the one with where we was heating up the spindle and all that, heating up the ball joint, trying to get the ball joint out. So you already know what we got going on for next video, or with some mechanic work going on. But y'all already know the vibes. It's J-Lo. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all keep the love going. Y'all keep supporting me, man. I love y'all. For real, I'm gonna show the love back. I promise. It's J-Lo. I'm out. Peace.